Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. I know I said that my daughter and I were going to do a colour on brown eyes and blue eyes, but she's actually had a bit of impetigo at the moment. I think that's how you pronounce it, or school sores. We don't know where it came from, but it's sort of run havoc on her in the last week, so we won't be doing that. I have a hens party coming up and I do not know how I am going to do my eye makeup at this stage. I have a few options. I'll show you those at the end and you can kind of vote on what you think I should do for the hens party. My daughter suggested, because it is rodeo themed, so a little bit cowgirl, she said I should go as Barbie, like this. But Barbie's not really my style, but I thought, hey, it might be cute to just do the eyeshadow makeup for Barbie. And yes, I do not have a headband yet, so I am just using one of hers. That might be cute too. Maybe I can try on a different headband, you know, every time I do makeup. All right, so let's do a Barbie inspired eyeshadow and you can tell me what you think. And then at the end of the video, I will show you the eyeshadows that I'm thinking of doing for the hens party, and let me know below which one you think I should do for the hens party and recreate. All right, let's do this. Okay, so to start with the eyeshadow today, I am just going to put a bit of primer on. I went to Kmart today and I got e.l.f. primer because I didn't have any for my eyelids. I'm not going to put too much on. I didn't want to go and spend a heap of money on a shadow palette that cost a lot of money, so I just got BYS today at Kmart as well. They're all really pretty, but you know, I'm usually just brown, beige, all those type of colours. So for Barbie, I'm going to pick mostly the pinks. I'm going to start with this one here, and I'm just going to go above my crease. Okay, then I'll just get a little bit of the colour off the brush there. Go in with a lighter white colour here, and I'll blend those two together. So I'll put that one up. This has got a little bit of shimmer to it too, which is quite nice for Barbie. Okay, so then what I want to do is I want to get the darker colour of pink here. And I'm going to just use a finer, thinner brush for this part. And I'm just going to go along the crease, just slightly above it, so that you can still see it, because if I just do it completely in the crease, you're not going to see it. Soften that out, I am going to use the fluffier brush again. Okay, so then the next one, I'm going to use a little bit of this shimmery silver. I'm just going to put that kind of as like a base for the next colour that I'm going to put. Just so the next colour comes out a little bit more intriguing. So a colour that they do suggest suits blue eyes and make them stand out a little bit more is blue. So I'm going to incorporate blue in there.
So I might even incorporate a little bit of green. We'll just see how it turns out. Sparkle here, so I'm going to use that. Just that white again. This will just lift the eyebrow. I might just incorporate those colours down under my eye a little bit too. Obviously, if any falls onto your face, you can fix that and cover it with your concealer and your foundations later. I'm just going to use a little bit of this darker colour here now, and I'm just going to give a little bit of an extension there. I'll just tidy up underneath and then I will put some mascara on. I can definitely see the benefits of doing, eyeshadows before you do your foundation so that you don't get all that dropping on there. You can actually tidy it up and do your foundation afterwards. Very beneficial. Anyway, I think that looks kind of cute. Maybe I should have drawn the line in, but at the moment it's just like a little light shadow, which I kind of like. I'll do the other eye and then we'll do a bit more Barbie. What do you think? They're kind of cute for Barbie, right? I'm going to add some final touches, like some pink lips, and just make my cheeks a little bit pinker, maybe a little bit more of a pointy nose, and I'll take my hair out and we'll see how I look as Barbie. I don't really have any Barbie type clothes. They're all quite plain. I'll see the brightest shirt that I've got and I'll put that on. So this is probably as Barbie-ish as you're going to get me.
So guys, I did end up finding a pink shirt, a little bit more Barbie, and I did decide to go in with a few more little details. So I put a little diamante there, and I put a little bit more white in my eye and just carried on underneath here a little bit more. I added some pink there as well. So yeah, overall, the Barbie look. So my little one has just woken up from her nap. Say hi everyone. We all like to see a little baby. I don't think you know how to take mummy, huh? But all in all, I think it's a pretty good and pretty easy look to create if you wanted, this Barbie. Almost, I would go this for a mermaid as well. I quite like it. Definitely out of my comfort zone, but it was fun to create it for you guys. Thanks again for watching. Remember to comment below what eyeshadow you think I should go with for the hen's party that I'm going to. Thanks again for watching. Bye.